All right, job 81. Sorry for the delay on this. Got your message. I'll show you what I can about this watch. I got the front off of it, and normally you go in from the back, but in this case you go in from the front. So you get the front off, and you find that the crown goes through a hole in the case that doesn't have a way out except to get the crown off. So okay, you get the crown off. Normally that is done with a release from the back, and so then you say, well, okay, if I can't get to the back without taking the crown off, and I can't take the crown off without getting to the back, how do I get this apart? I think you take the hands off and the dial off, and then the crown release must be on the front. So unless I'm going to service it, I don't want to do that because the hands, you do risk damaging the hands doing that. But I'll show you what I can. It'll pop out a little bit, and you can see from the side. So you should be able to. You can see a little movement in there. I think things are moving freely. That's all I'm saying. The balance wheel. Yep, the balance wheel does appear to be moving freely. So I think it could be serviced. Servicing is a couple $100 at least though, and I think it also needs a mainspring. One thing I can show you though too is if you pull it out, it does set, and it seems to be, it works smoothly, so it just doesn't wind and keep time. But definitely needs serviced, and I believe the hands and face need to be taken off to get the crown out, and then remove the movement from the case.